Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandon Cross. Today I thought we would kickstart the holiday season. I know that Thanksgiving is coming up. For Thanksgiving, I don't know if any of you have any plans. I know that everyone is being advised to stay home or stay with their immediate family. There shouldn't be people with 5 houses and there's someone who's struggling to just afford a roof over their head. Consumption, capitalism. I'm also gonna start off this video with a Thanksgiving holiday time question. Are y'all turkey people or not turkey people? Because the people that I've spoken to or that I know, they have it just because it's a Thanksgiving thing to have. I'm not a major fan of turkey. I feel like even when like the meat is moist, you know, it's like still kind of dry. Like I don't get much flavor from turkey. Especially, I know that it's all about the size and pairing it together, but I'm chill with just having ham. Spiral ham all day, okay?
Happy holidays.
Today we're just gonna get into a little bit of the early holiday spirit. We've got a 12 days of good hair advent calendar from Eva Nyc, and it is honestly I think it's a $45, let me not correct myself. Let me look this up, actually, hold on.
How much is this?
What? Why, are you worried you can't afford it?
I don't know.
Then you can't. Get out.
This holiday season, I know that we're being advised to stay home, so I might not get to go see my family this holiday season, but we are trying to be safe and take precautions, and I guess I'm going to have to send gifts this year. The great thing is that there are lots of great things you can send to people. It doesn't have to be a gift, it could be a card. I know I have some people in my life, like me, like if you don't get a gift, I would love to have a handwritten card, okay? And if you know me, you know I love like the papyrus card. I love like a nice card because I keep cards. I keep them for a long time. I like to revisit them like they're old memories, and they're cute. Oh, Eva Hair NYC was so kind. We worked together on a Halloween video and I did a clown Harley Quinn look, which is right here, you can see. I feel like I didn't upload this as a YouTube video, but it's definitely an Instagram video. So you can follow me at ITSBRANDYNCROSS. That is my Instagram. And if you want to follow me on TikTok, which I post seldomly, it's .BrandonCross, but you know. So Eva Hair NYC is not sponsoring this video. This is a gifted product that was sent to me as a thank you for working together. And I just thought it would be cute to share with everyone else because I do think that it is a good deal at $45. Okay, so this is the calendar, right? It is a 12 days of good hair. So that means that there are 12 products in here. It is pretty large, as you can see, compared to my body. This is the back of the box where you have your different products. Oh wait, different products. It's like a hefty product. So you're spending $45, but you're getting like 12 products. And one of them is a real gag, okay? For $45, what you get, well, hold on, let's read the website description. Okay, there. Waiting behind each door, Waiting behind each of my doors is a new hair care product to switch up your style day after day. I feature favorites like the Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer, which I love and I use pretty much every day. It also has a therapy session hair mask and even a mini styling iron. That is the one that was a real gag, okay? A styling iron in here, with all these other things. I also include all the party collection products for fun finishes to all holiday looks. You'll find a surprise behind each number to keep your hair sparkling, glowing, and shiny all season long. Oh, and they also offer Afterpay, which we all know is like a way to get some gifts if you can't make the funds right now, you know? You gotta like do installments. I'm all here for that. My credit card company need to get another call because it's gonna be late. We have our product number 1, and that is our Eva Nyc Chameleon Temporary Color Spray, and this is the color pink, which is actually the color that I think I might use today, just to add a little bit more of that hot pink vibe to my hair, but we shall see. Product number 2, down here. All right, here we go. Ooh, I ripped that too much. Okay, so product number 2, we got the Therapy Session Hair Mask. Am I bugging? Where is number 3? This is 3. Okay, 3 is up here in this corner. It's a little hard to see because I'm like looking underneath, so please excuse me. Number 3 is the Eva Hair NYC Seeing Stars Holographic Rosé Spray. This is really cute. It has like pink and blue glitters in there and it looks great like as a hair topper when you finish whatever style you have. Number 4. Oh, okay. Number 4 is honestly one of the first products that I had from Eva NYC that I fell in love with. And the brand, I think, found my photo of me using it in one of my looks. And they contacted me and they sent me so much glitter spray. So thank you everyone at Eva Hair NYC. I love all of you. You've been keeping my hair looking great during these bleaching times. I've been trying to figure something out, you know? Number 5. Aha, number 5, we have our first set of washing product. Here we have our Main Magic 10-in-1 shampoo. That's also so amazing. It's just like the primer, which has the 10-in-1 benefits. It's just a shampoo version. It's really good and it smells amazing. Which one are we up to? 6? Oh my god, we're still going. Okay. Pop that open. Okay, great. So here we've got the mini flat iron, and it's so cute, you guys. It's this like fuchsia color. This would be perfect actually for like doing the bangs, adding a little bit of more definition in curls. And I think I might do like a semi, like half maybe a pigtail look today. I don't know where this is coming from, but I'm in the mood. Number 7, I feel like this might be the purple hairspray. Yes, because I not only knew that because the front of the box was purple. I mean, I have seen the back of the box, which everything is in it, but I just knew from the color. Here we have our Eva NYC Chameleon Temporary Color Spray, and this is the purple one. Number 8. Been away from school for a long time, kids. It's been a minute. Okay, now we have the conditioner, which is the 10-in-1. Also amazing. Next one is 8. No, wait. So number 9, again, like the 7 color, how it's purple over here. Number 9 is blue. So here we have our Chameleon Temporary Color Spray in the blue shade. Also, I use when I do my finger waves. It's just like, it just locks it in with like a real high pigment pop of color, and it's just warm. 10 is here at the top. Cute. Let's see. Okay. So yeah, this is the party in a box. Here we have our Seeing Stars Holographic Gold Spray. This is really, it's more subtle than I would think. What's it called? The Queen Glitter Spray, this shows up a lot on my hair, and I think because the glitter particles are like different than the formula that is for the Seeing Stars Holographic Spray. This is more like a holographic colored hairspray, and if you've used any of those before, you know that they don't show up as holographic or reflective because my hair is mostly black. But yes, it is still very, very cute. It's a nice topper. It's something that you can like see in person, but it's like hard to show, or at least it's been hard for me to show in photos. Next we have number 11, and number 11, sorry, I'm like freaking this box up. Number 11 is our Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. This is honestly one of the best primers. It has 10 benefits, 1 miracle formula. Let's see what the 10 benefits are, because I've mentioned 3 of their different 10-in-1 products already. Let's see. It does all of detangling, reducing frizz, strengthens, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine, nourishes, smooths, and protects against thermal and UV damage. Bitch. I'm in. Last but not least, we have our 12th day of good hair. I wonder what this one is. Oh, okay, great, yes. Great way to like end off, because like honestly, like if you've already created the style, we've got now our Freshen Up Dry Shampoo, which is great. I use it to add a little bit more lift in my roots, not like my hair is really that flat. It's very thick and has lots of body. But this is great for times when I don't wash my hair. Sometimes when I like will style my hair, like me actually like wetting it, I'll go like 14, 17 days. But I'll, you know, keep a little refresher. My hair, I like make sure that I'm like, hey, like asking my boyfriend or my roommate, I'm like, hey, can you smell my hair? Does it smell? Do you smell it from there? Like, let me know, you know? I think it is a really, really great deal. For the products that you get, let's see what we can, oh. You get really like a full hair regimen. And that is everything. I think I'm going to probably do a little look with these products. If you would like to see that, you can go check out my Instagram. That is @ITSBRANDYNCROSS. If you like this video or you think you might want to buy this for someone in your family, let me know in the comments bar down below. Hit a like and make sure you check the notification bell at the top of the page. That way you'll be notified whenever it is that I get to go live, not when I go live. You'll be notified whenever a video I post goes live so that you can keep up with me. But yes, until then, like I said, I always want to create a fun, happy space here. I want to chat with you all. I want to give you reviews, my honest reviews. And for Eva Hair NYC, I have been working with them, but like I said, this is not a sponsored video. They didn't ask me to make this video. I'm just making it because I think it's a great deal and there's a lot of product in here. Maybe it's something for you, so I just put it out there if you want to consider it. No pressure. So until next time, thank you all for watching. I hope that you are safe during the holidays, and I know it's gonna be hard, but we might need to hanker down for our lockdown number 2. I wanna make sure that I'm being grateful. I want to try to give back because I feel like sometimes I'm just in this world of people who like just care about money, and it's not all about money. Let's think about people's like lives. Let's think about their jobs. Let's think about people's home life. Let's think about people rather than the corporations, okay? So like this holiday time, let's really think about the people in your life who can use some attention and just give them a call. Sometimes they might be going through I know a lot of people are going through depression right now. I know I'm going through my own struggles, and I'm on here because I want to share that like life can be fun and life with purpose can be even better. Happy holidays. Bye. Hi everyone, my name is, oh no. Excuse me. Okay, one more time. Hi everyone, my name is Brandon Cross. Thank you for coming back